Hello friends, today we will talk about how to log out on the application of REDnote. On iPhone, you will click on REDnote app. In this page, you will click here on this sign of you and you will enter. Then in this page, you will click here on this sign. After that, you will click in this sign of settings. Here in this page, you will click in this window of logout, and here in this page you will click on logout as you see. So that's all. Here you can log out on the application of REDnote. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time, and thank you for your watching and your attention.